They are the outcasts. They are the destitutes. Yet they smile. They live. They survive. Khatima is a small town near Rudrapur, nestled in the eastern part of Uttarakhand Kumaon Hills, with its Pahadis, Gihar and Tharo communities. It is a town hardly known to the outside world. Due to lack of employment, families in Khatima have moved to cities. The majority of the families who remain are sustained by mothers who are the sole breadwinners, shouldering the burden of sustaining their children and alcoholic husbands. The little joys that the children find are soon doused as they are unable to break free from the desire to beg for a living. Begging, stemming out of poverty, is a reality. People below poverty line continue to live in unhygienic conditions and are also prone to health and psychological problems. But in the midst of such hopelessness, there are heartwarming stories of children who, instead of sinking into despair and anguish, have raised themselves from the ashes and become symbols of hope and dignity for their communities and the outside world.
Hello, my name is Mamta Bist and I am 13-year-old and studying in class 9. This is my 4th year in Jeevan Jyoti Bal Vikas Khatima. Here I learned so many things from my teachers and I am growing in many areas of life. Jeevan Jyoti Bal Vikas helped me to explore my hidden talent. Last year I got privileged to take part in Bal Mahotsav and I am first place in running. This one moment, Jeevan Jyoti Bal Vikas, was turning point of my life. This year I got exposure in athletics and I stood first in the 800 meter race in block level. I am planning to my future in sport. I am so thankful to all people who support me all things. Thank you.
मेरा नाम प्रभात राणा है। मैं कक्षा 8 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं ऐसी जगह से आया हूँ जहाँ लोग शराब पीते हैं। शर्मनाक बात यह भी है कि वहाँ स्त्रियाँ भी शराब पीती हैं। मेरे पिता की डेथ शराब पीने की वजह से हुई है। मैं बड़ा होकर आर्मी ऑफिसर बनना चाहता था, पर मैंने जीवन ज्योति बाल विकास के द्वारा सीखा है लोगों की ज़िंदगी में कैसे बदलाव करना है। मैं बड़ा होकर NGO के साथ मिलकर लोगों की ज़िंदगी में बदलाव करना चाहता हूँ।
Their lives have been transformed by the work of Jeevan Jyoti Bal Vikas. Despite all the odds, they continue to dedicate themselves toward the upliftment of these people and instill in them a sense of a better way of life. The vicious cycle of poor health, lack of education, and more poverty will continue for people at Khatima unless we step in and help. The need is great. We at Jeevan Jyoti Bal Vikas, with our project at Khatima and other places of North India, wish to continue to provide free education, skill development programs, physical education programs, free food, etc. to these marginalized and downtrodden ones in our society. Would you like to partner with us in this challenging work of transforming the lives of these precious ones?